Hello, I'm going to show you how to quickly buy MIXIE on Binance. So first of all, log into your Binance app and tap Quick Funds on the home page. Choose the fiat currency you want to pay with on the top right column and tap Buy With. Here you can choose to buy crypto with different fiat currencies, enter the fiat amount you want to spend, and the system will automatically display the amount of crypto you can get. Choose to pay with mobile phone and tap Buy. If you haven't completed identity verification for your Binance account, you'll be prompted to do so at this step. Check the payment details and transaction fees carefully before tapping confirm. Please note, at any given time, the price and corresponding amount of the crypto may be recalculated automatically. After you confirm the transaction, you will be redirected to a third-party platform. Select Don't Remind Me Again and tap Continue to proceed with the transaction. Please check the order details and verify your phone number, then tap Confirm Payment. You'll be redirected to Binance after confirming the payment. Please wait patiently for the order to process. This will take no more than 30 seconds. Your transaction is successfully completed. You may check the order details by tapping Check Wallet.